Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to show you the second part of the video, Colgadas mini-series.
You can find right up here the playlist for those 3 exercises that we are going to be having for Colgadas.
But before going to the video, remember to like if you're enjoying it, subscribe and share with your friends. That helps a lot.
Yes, it will be much appreciated. And now let's get to work. Alright, now we are going to do this exercise to a side colgada. One side step, we're going to rotate her slightly and we're going to create a little colgada and come back to side step and restart all over again. I am doing something here at this moment. I am rotating. We have 2 options, staying in feet together to do a small colgada, bam, and come back, or we can do for a larger colgada, we can cross behind and come back to side and feet together.
Now for the followers, we are doing a side step. I feel the position changing, like she's going to the L position, my left side is closer to the leader, and then she's lifting. So I will send the hips, right hips to the side. When I feel the colgada, I go off axis from the leg, from the hip, but not from the head. Head stays on the same axis, same center. Then I feel I can put the knee up or I can extend the leg. Any shape of colgada, feet together, axis, and side step. Mostly followers, we are hanging or supporting ourselves from the right leg. Right leg is on the floor and the left leg is going up or to the front, but everything is on the right leg for now.
We have a full, of course we're going to continue with this exercise, and also if you're interested in doing rotating colgadas, side colgadas, back colgadas, all of the colgadas that exist, we have a video, we have a different courses in our website, miriamleonardotango.com for you to check out. So, check that out. So, that being said, 1, I'm going to, like in the previous video, we're going to lift her. This tells her, okay, colgada is happening. Now from here, we're going to create a point A by rotating. I'm sending her from my right side gently while my left side is compensating. Yes, 1. And she can lift the knee if she wants, and then we come back. One thing to keep in mind for the leader is when we send her, pam, 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 I'm lifting. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is that we send her with the right side while the left is compensating. Be careful, leaders, don't try to send her with your left hand doing this. 1 and 2. I know that I have her, but she doesn't because I'm pushing her. This is bad things for her. Expand your rib cage and your shoulder blades, pulling back, as you can have, even with one leg can happen. Yes, she trusts you. Yes, plus this one pulling back is a big help for her.
For the followers, if we do the same move, I have the connection, main connection on my left side, and then I can open the right side a little bit to create the tension, and the hips also is not facing the leader, it's facing a little more outside. So then I feel off-axis position, very secure, very nice. I can lift the leg, lower, any position, this is off-axis, and then 2 feet, I will feet together to go back to axis, and side step to repeat it again.
This can be, this same technique applies for a rotating colgada to one side or the other, but always leader lift her, and then from here expand to point A, and then of course you can go larger than that.
Thank you very much. See you in the next video.
Bye.